Alright. So what we got here is it's a video from Twitter. I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen, but I am intrigued by how long the video is, and that somebody said this is too much detergent, so I'm going to guess it's way too much detergent given how long this video is, right? So this is my honest reaction. I just saw a few seconds of it. I have not seen the entire thing. So let's just...
Making my kids' clothes smell extra yummy.
Okay, a bowl, some ice, more ice, more ice, more ice. Okay. Alright. That is enough detergent for like 2 loads of laundry if you have soft water. If you have hard water, you have to use more detergent because the minerals in your water bind with the detergent and not with the dirt in your clothes. But if you have soft water, if you have a water softener, you really don't need too much detergent at all. Like half of that would be almost overkill for clothes that are just, you know, you just wore it a day or two. It's not actually dirty. You know, you don't need a whole lot. Going for another scoop. No. Enough! 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 Okay. Oh, God. Fill it up. Do it again. Do it again. Put a whole nother one in there. Change the scent up. Yeah, there you go. You got another one? You got a third flavor there? Oh, no. You got 3! 1! You just put 4, 5 of them! No! 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 Look how big they are! Come on! No! Ah! Sure. Why not? Why not? Freaking pour! Don't even measure it! Fill it up! Fill it up! Just fill it up! Fuck it! Why didn't she measure the first one? Oh. Mix it together! What does it matter? Why? What does it matter if you mix it together or not? It's gonna get mixed together in the machine. You just made a spoon all soapy for no reason. We get it. Alright. Okay. Yep. We got it. Crushing up the laundry pods. Why? 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 Why do that? How is the pod gonna come through? How is... Okay. More. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Yeah, break the pods open. Why not? Yeah, why not? Why the hell not? Who cares? It appears that her laundry machine has been modified. Oh, I thought that was a circuit board. Sorry, the video is not very good resolution, but it's been modified so it can run while it's open. What are you doing? Why? Why? Good Lord. Yeah, just keep doing it. Yeah, you know what? That's great. Just dump it in. Oh. Dude, she wiped it. She wiped it off. She wiped off her handprints on there because she got all the detergent on there, and then she just did it again. There you go. Just dump it in. Dump it in. There you go. Yeah. Rinse the bowl out. Rinse it out. Why not? Put more in. I swear. Put more in. Do it. I dare you. I dare. Yeah, you couldn't help yourself. Put more in. Put more in. Put another scoop in. Put another scoop in. Put another scoop in. Put more in. Do another cup. Do another full cup. Put some soap in there. Put more in. More. Put more in. Put some mayonnaise in there. Yeah. Dude. Yeah. Put it in the fabric softener. Yeah. Get in there. Put your hands in. Yes. Ah. That was great. I loved reacting to that.